I'm going to be voicing my characters in the Blue-Eyed Wolf series right here. Okay, Neo, Blue's dad. Okay, let's do his voice. Okay, ready? Well, it's not like nothing is before. I mean, when is anything? I can just sit here for days. Blue, we need to go. Kiddo. Let's just, go around. Okay, next. Blue. Blue as a kid. Well, this looks great. It seems like I'll have a join time here. But there's one thing I want to tell you. Why? Well, I'll be the alpha for the day, so it's nothing. Just get your butt up and get your... just do it. I don't honestly care. Just... why? Whatever, kid. Just sit down and do what you're told. Hello, my brother. It's been a shame seeing you around here. I didn't see you in years. Gray, you're not that great as you seem. I thought you were gonna be better than that. Mystery? How could you do this to me? I didn't even do anything. What did I ever do to you? I didn't even do anything. I swear. I didn't. The ghost version of Mystery? Well, it's easy to say. That I don't care. Whoever killed me is going to be dead, just like me, but different. Jason? What are you little pesky wolves doing? You know, I'm not just a breed of wolves, I'm also a dog. And dogs make you weak. So, I don't want none of you to be in my way. I'm half Doberman after all. I'm the breed that will hunt you down. Scarface. Oh well, well, I think I have to kill you, but I don't have to. No, I'm just gonna kill you. It's more better if I take over the pride. If I just destroy everybody he knowed, and then I'll just destroy it, and then everything will be fine. Yes, everything will be mine, finally. Scarlet. What are you doing, Scarface? We can't sit here for days. You're my brother after all, and I take care of you. What's up with you? You're going crazy. Through half of this day, you went through everything and you're just sitting down and taking it all. You just want to be another alpha. You already are. You don't need a big of a pack to be an alpha. Hunter. You guys get in line. You guys get in line. Then the alpha can see you. Okay? Because he doesn't want no intruders in the way. If you, attract, well, you will have to die. I will honestly kill you if you try to kill the Alpha. Glow. I'm exactly like Mystery. But I'm not Mystery. My name's Glow. I mean, they all call me Glow. But my name is naturally not Glow. My name is... I forgot it. I don't know. I guess it's Glow then. Blue Stripe. Voice. What are you doing? You can't be here. This is like a couple of minutes away from your territory. I thought you were not going to come here again. This territory up in the mountains is mine. You're not allowed to sit down here. This is my territory. You have to go away. I'm not an alpha, but I am a sure strong wolf. Marcus? Voice? Well, it seems like he came around at the right place. Scarface wanted me to kill you. I don't know why, but he wanted me to, so I do what my boss says. As I always do, I do what my boss says. Wolf. Voice. I'm just a strange wolf. People call me Wolf. I mean, that's my name. I call myself that. And you better should reward me for a wolf, because my name's Wolf. I'm the strange wolf working around the territory, ready to kill everybody. But sure, I'll be on the nice team now. I didn't even go at there. Well, this kiddo is too much in my way. I'll kill you if you get in my way again. Okay, that's all the voices. Bye, movie friends. Ow!